In this video, I'm going to show you how to loop playback in Reaper. Now to loop your playback, it's actually super simple, and you can do this using this button over here, which is called the toggle repeat button. You could also press R on your keyboard, it's going to do the same thing, but of course before you tap on this over here or click on it, you want to go and make a selection of the playback you want to loop. So let's say, of course, the entire thing I have in here should be looped. All you have to do is just select it by clicking and dragging like this. You could do this anywhere really, or do it up top over here, so you're not actually messing with your audio if you have a lot of it. And when you have your selection, which of course is going to be whatever you pick, it's going to look like this. It's going to be selected, and up top you can see the in and out arrows. You can then go and of course adjust this if you want to as well. You could always do that, it's completely up to you. And then if you want to be more precise, you could hold down your control key while actually moving this or making a selection, okay? That's going to allow you to be super precise. Now once you've done a selection, just go ahead and hit the R button or the toggle repeat button down here, and that's really all you have to do to loop your playback. If I now go over here and play this, as you can see, it's gonna loop that part and it's going to go through again, okay? So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.